Hi everybody, this is Reen and welcome for another video. I didn't take my tripod because I forget, because Knox was so impatient to go out. We are going in a little walk, so come along with us. Look at him. It's a Knox vlog. Knox is doing really great. He's got neutralized. It was a hard 5 days. He did really well. He's still that crazy. You coming with me? Bella, what are you doing? Oh, there is two. You don't know which one to take, right? This one is bigger. Come on, come with me. I'm trying to make a video for everybody. Ah si. Bonjour. Tu es bien, mon chien? This is definitely a road where a lot of people come and use. I just have to be a little bit careful because I don't put him in a leash, because I want him to be that kind of dog where you don't need a leash, except for sometimes like when you are in a city with a lot of people. And he's pretty cool. I mean, he's not a bad bitch. He's really cool, he's really nice. I don't really like that part. I feel like Knox is hearing and seeing so much thing that I can't see or hear, that I'm always sure that I have like someone following me in the woods without knowing it, you know? I don't know what I'm doing. Knock! You see, like that? I heard some noise and I'm a little bit forgetting. Knox! Allez, viens! Knox, allez viens. Knox, Knox, viens ici. C'est non. C'est non. Bonjour. Hopefully he doesn't like cyclists. Look at him, he can go anywhere. Come on! You're so cute. Fall is coming. Quite, oh, you can see there is already a little bit of colors. I swear to God, I heard some noises that are really creepy at the moment. I mean, there is animals, right? But it doesn't look like animal sound. And this part is like really creepy. You have a huge hole there, and look at him searching. Say no. Nox. Say no. Bonjour. Say no. Careful, careful. Tu reste là. I remember him. When I got him, he was like so small. And now he's 20 kilos. Can you see how fast he is? Nox! Come on, we have to go. Mommy's coming home. I'm so happy with them. Look at him. He's so beautiful. There is some stuff in this education that I'm not sure on how to do it well. I'm okay. I mean, I did something pretty good. I'm really happy with it. But when people are like, oh my god, he obeys really good, and I'm like, no. When I'm alone, I can be like, sit down, and he will be like, yeah, cool, I'm doing it. And when I have people around me, it's like, Nox, sit. What are you doing? Nox, sit. And you have to tell him like so much. He's still a little bit childish, even though he's starting the teenage crisis. But I think it's okay. I think it's pretty good. I'm loving what I see with him. Say no. No! Bonjour. No, doucement. Doucement. No. Doucement. Hello. Hello there. Nox, doucement. Bonjour toi. Mais comment ça? Nox. Ah ouais? Nox, viens ici. Oui, oui, il faut bien qu'ils comprennent. De toute façon, la hiérarchie, c'est comme ça. Et t'es content.
Bah oui, toi t'es un vieux papy, hein.
Ah bah oui, t'as eu cette jeunesse dans ton... Hein? Fiche, ouais. Ouais, j'ai les friandises dans cette poche. C'est tentant, hein? Bon, allez. Au revoir, bonne soirée. Ah, il risque de sauter un peu, il est encore jeune. Avec elle faire du vélo? Oui. On te met dans le panier.
Comment ça s'appelle?
Nox.
Nox.
Yes, he is. He's a little bit... Oh, you're with your friend. Oh.
Bigger than you.
Yeah, a little bit. That's a good boy. You're so nice. Thank you. Yeah, that is so rare too, so I'm really happy with it. And he's really have a great character, so I'm really happy with it.
Does this just go into the woods or does it go?
It goes to the woods and you have like a farmer and other things, but if you want the city you have to go there. So back home. My mom is not there. Don't watch the background, it's really messy. I am definitely gonna end this video here. I hope you will enjoy seeing Knox and I going on a walk and him doing some work. And so I hope you enjoy and I'll see you in the next video.